मराठी माणसानं चादर बघून हातपाय पसरावे.
शिवे नखरे का?
चल ना हट ना म्हाताऱ्या.
चला हँगर लेने को परवडता नहीं और शर्ट लेने को आ गए.
भोसले आडनाव खरंच डाऊन मार्केट आहे हो.
तुम्ही सारे घाटी लोक.
बस
एक मेसेज तिकडे आहे ना की इकडे या आणि कुठेही राहा, तसा एक उलटा मेसेज जाणं गरजेचं आहे की आता इथे कुठेही महाराष्ट्रामध्ये तुम्हाला अशा प्रकारे राहता येणार नाही.
Though the intention may differ, the message is the same. Like it or not, Mumbai's insider-outsider debate is an issue that's moved beyond the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena's political agenda.
किड्या मुंग्यांची किंमत नाही मराठी माणसाला. इथले सगळे धंदे गुजराती आणि सिंध्यांच्या हातात, हॉटेलं उडप्यांच्या आणि पंजाब्यांच्या हातात. त्यांच्या जोडीला नेपाळ्यांनी चायनीजच्या गाड्या लावून गल्लोगल्ली लाल स्टुलं मांडली आहेत. चणे शेंगदाणे विकायला आलेले उत्तर भारतीय आज मंत्रालयापासून इन्कम टॅक्स, सेल्स टॅक्स, कस्टम्स मध्ये मोठ्या हुद्द्यावर बसलेत. महाराज, मराठी माणूस आहे कुठे?
Popular culture is reflecting what regional chauvinistic parties like the MNS have been propagating. Leading to scenes like these.
यापुढे सिर्फ दो मारा लेकिन सॉलिड मारा की.
Where foot soldiers of the MNS are given a free hand to reclaim their own right to a livelihood.
We as Marathis have this habit of expecting that things will be happy and things will be nice and things will fall into place. And when they don't, when things don't happen according to the way you have visualized them or you wanted them, then you try to shift the blame somewhere. So when I did Shivaji, I had that thinking, we've always been saying, I stay here in Mumbai and then he's doing business, he's running the hotel business, he's doing anything and everything. We were trying to find reasons for my failure.
तुम्ही का नाही धंदा केलात गुजरातांच्या बरोबरीने? हॉटेल काढण्यापासून कुठल्या उडप्याने थांबवलं होतं तुम्हाला? उत्तर भारतीय मोठ्या हुद्द्यावर त्यांच्या शिक्षणामुळे आहेत. दिनकरराव, मराठी माणसाला मान नाही कारण तुम्ही ती स्थिती स्वतःवर ओढावून घेतली. ठेविले अनंते तैसेची राहावे या वृत्तीमुळे तुम्ही तुमचा भविष्यकाळच कापून काढलाय.
I just needed to give him ego boost. I just needed to tell him you have it in you. So don't blame your failures on others.
While filmmaker Mahesh Manjrekar denounces violence, he believes that the Marathi Manus is as much responsible for his plight, a sentiment that's effectively captured in his popular film मी शिवाजी राजे भोसले बोलतोय.
स्वतःच्या नाकर्तेपणाचा दोष परप्रांतीयांवर लादू नका. जागे व्हा.
But according to him, the enemy is not any outsider.
सरदार, राजपूत, ठाकूर याप्रमाणे खाटी हा शब्द सुद्धा अदबीला घ्यायला प्रवृत्त करा लोकांना.
बाकी है उत्तरातले उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार यांच्यासाठी काय आश्रमशाळा काढून ठेवली का ही महाराष्ट्र म्हणजे?
In sharp contrast, the Sena's hate campaign identifies the enemy, uses outsider rhetoric and violence to swing the Marathi vote bank in their favor.
But the fact is that the revival of the Marathi Manus agenda might now have caught the imagination of the average Maharashtrian. He may not agree with methods that parties like the MNS use to put across their agenda, but their cause is something that's finding favor.
The son of soil has to be given priority. But the thing is, the way it's being implemented, as in the violence and the hatred caused by it, it's really bad. It's sad thing.
The image of the Marathi Manus is lagging behind. So obviously we need some leaders who can take this forward.
सरळ भाषेत जर समजत नसेल कोणाला तर मार खाणारच ते लोक.
तर तुम्हाला काय करायचं ते करा, मी बोलत राहणार.
MNS's aggressive stance on the resurgent Marathi Manus gave them an edge over their rival Shiv Sena in the recent assembly elections. The Shiv Sena tried a similar stunt by attacking Shah Rukh Khan and his film My Name is Khan during its release.
तो भी कोई मुंबई के खिलाफ बोलेगा, महाराष्ट्र के खिलाफ बोलेगा, शिवसेना उसका विरोध करेगी.
it was a tactic that clearly didn't get the desired results.
I've not said anything that I should feel sorry about or sorry for.
If there were Shivsainik around, they said they don't know, maybe. I said if they are, I want to go stone them. Who are they to stone me? I'll go stone them and show them.
In this clash of ideology and egos, the biggest loser, however, was showbiz itself.
2009 was the worst as far as the film industry was concerned, except 2-3 options, where the picture goes super hit and we got an oxygen.
In many ways, Harish Chandrachi Factory represents the new crop of Marathi cinema that's making waves. A bright idea, a passionate team, a commitment to better cinema, but again, there's been a struggle to get adequate financial support.